Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So this no-code, absolutely free, 100% free tool is gonna blow your mind, since this is already changing the game as far as SEO, internet, entrepreneurship, tools creation, website creation, and whatnot. In just 10 minutes that I had, I've built the following tools. So I've launched my WordsAtScale AI mockup. So this is a writing tool that does not exist, but this is a landing page for it. I've created the whiteboard like in 1 minute. And this is all HTML, so these are all locally stored HTML files. This is the SEO keyword frequency calculator, so let's paste some text here, analyze text. These are the top keywords. This is a PNG to web converter. So let's try it out. And this was all done under 10 minutes. Once again, convert to WebP. And this is the WebP file that we got. This is the SEO memes website that I've built with different categories. This is the KGR calculator once again. So let's say the all-in title is 100. The monthly volume is 500. And this is the KGR score. And finally, this is a landing page for my copywriting course, Master the Art of Persuasive Copywriting, 50% off, some bold claims, a profile placeholder, 30-day money-back guarantee, enroll now. This was all built like in 20 seconds or so. So these are the 7 tools that I actually did build under 10 minutes. And this is all due to this amazing tool, 100% free, which is called WebSim AI. And just look at some of the things people were able to do. This is mind-blowing. So this is a full-on Doom simulator. So as you can see, you can choose different options. So this is me playing with the tool. This is some kind of musical spheres ripple. This was done with this tool. And there's a lot of different applications. So let me just guide you through some of the tools that I've built. So you all know how I like SEO writing.ai. So this was a mock test. And the prompts based on Sonnet 3.5, the default model. And I suggest you keep to Sonnet 3.5. So copy SEO writing.ai, but make it visually stunning with images, infographics, case studies, pricing tiers, etc. This is not the exact prompt that I used, but this is very close. And I'm recording in real time, so I'm not skipping ahead. So this is literally the amount of time it takes to build a website. Okay. And this is still building. Okay. And now what we can do, in the same window, you can say add logo and center everything. So this is our logo. I'm not sure if it's being rendered or if this is just a placeholder. It's not as beautiful as my variation because I used a more sophisticated prompt, but you can continue talking to the AI to make it better and better. With the whiteboard, what I did is create a stunning looking, simple, collaborative whiteboard. And again, I'm not skipping ahead because I want you to see the real speed of this tool. Theme board, collaborative, whiteboard. And this is your pencil. And so this is your color. And yeah, it's working. I'm not sure what so this is hence the collaborative. So online thread, this is mimicking the online presence of other people, hence the delay. I didn't realize that. Good. And what you can do, you can just say download website, and this will be stored locally on your computer. Yeah, clear this up. Okay. Now what I also tried, create a keyword frequency extractor for SEO. And like with everything, the better the prompt, the better the output. So I'm using very simplistic prompts, not the ones that I used for my own testing. So let me test this out, and I'm pasting this. Oh, it hasn't finished yet, and I've already pasted the text. extract keywords. And as you can see, this is working and this is a fully workable tool. So once again, you just go download website. And people have been commenting me creating different tools. And now it's just gotten way better. So this is once again an HTML file you can store on WordPress easily. So let me test this again. Yeah. And this is a very professional tool. So this even gives you like a word cloud of sorts of the words that I've been used most frequently. And this is very professionally looking, and it took me like 5 seconds, 10 seconds to create this. Another use case that is pretty amazing is you can create mock websites. So it didn't show well on my local HTML. Let's just assume I want to launch a funny little niche website about SEO memes. So let's go seomemes.com. And this site does not exist. Well, let me double check actually. seomemes.com. No. This is just a domain name. And as you can see, the WebSim AI is creating the mock of the website together with some images. They get lost once I convert it to local HTML, like in my example. And what's amazing is that this AI is also creating complementary pages. So let's try the terms of service page. And as you can see, the AI has indeed created the terms of service page, which is amazing. So again, the opportunities are limitless. Let's just say you want to create a front end, a mock-up to give to your developer. So give me a stunning looking front end for a low comp keyword research tool with a inbuilt KGR score. So let's try that. I haven't tried this prompt before, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. Hopefully something good. So this is called Keyword Miner. And look at the visual side of it. Like, it looks very professional. So enter your seed keyword. I'm not sure I don't think it's going to work, but look at the front end. So you have your keywords, your search volume, your KGR score, your competition. So I don't think it's going to work. Let's try docs. Yeah, keyword research initiated. In a real application, this would fetch and display results based on the entered keyword. Fair enough. And this also opens up a lot of opportunities for some primitive little tools. Like you've seen my PNG to WebP extractor. But let's try something else. Generate a simple image filtration that is capable of applying different filters like monochrome, pixelated, etc. Okay, and again, I haven't tried this prompt before. This is just me riffing online. Upload image, and let's pick an image. Hopefully nothing raunchy. Oh, this is a trick note logo. Let's try that. And let's try grayscale. Now invert. Now pixelate. Look at that. And if I wanted to have a capability to download images, add the download image button. Let's see what happens. And what I like is that it builds upon what's already there. So it doesn't give you a completely different front end in this example. It just adds what you want. Say I want this grayscale, download, and this is the filtered image. Yeah. And a small tip. Sometimes the application won't work, but if you download it as an HTML local file, it will work. So this is something that I've discovered the hard way. After dismissing some of the outputs, I then realized that they were all working. Let's try something else. Draw your own GIF. This sounds interesting. Add frame. Frame. This is WAS as VAS Universe. Let's see the result. And this is your GIF. This is interesting. This looks amazing. Wow. Look at that. Now I have no idea how to do something like that. Well, this looks purely amazing. So now I have an idea. This is my custom prompts library that I'm giving away for free. Link down below. Maybe I could use something from here. AI detection. Oh, build me a front end for an amazing looking AI detection tool that rewrites text to pass AI. And again, in this example, this is not going to be fully working, but you have your front end, you have your prompt, like in my prompts library, I have a couple of AI detection prompts, and then you just stitch it all together yourself, like I'm doing most of the time, or with the help of your developer, rewrite and analyze. You're like, oh, this is even, it's even gotten us a mock-up score. So the analysis result, human likeness score 68%. Nice. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.